today's video, ang lamig. Autumn walking. Hindi ko alam. We don't know. I don't know where my husband will lead us. He's the leader of the temple. So we will see what is in his mind, where he's going to go. Ang lamig. Kaya nagganito ako, may ganito pa. Pero this one is built-in na sa jacket. Very nice. Lamig. Ayan. Why you are looking at me, huh? You miss me direct? I'm just at the backside of you. You miss me? Or you're afraid someone will kidnap me? Not kidnap, adult nap. Ganda ng view guys, so. Autumn. Yung batang maliit. Ayun. Ganda. Lapit nila, oh. Eating bread. Daan lang kami. So, yes. No, it's not thermos.
Yeah.
Egg. Ready one. Galing kami dito. Family ham. Pauwi na kami. Hindi ako makapag-video masyado sa loob kasi ang daming Kaya dito na lang sa labas. Pauwi na kami. Thank you for watching everyone. Thank you for watching everyone. Nicole, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. See you in our next vlog. Stand up, you, Nicole. Smile.